Welcome to BIN, the first AI verification platform for KYC and KYB compliance. In this video, we'll show you how easy it is to use BIN manually, with no coding or integration required. This setup is perfect for teams that handle verification on a case-by-case basis. Whether you're verifying a handful of users or want full control without touching code, BIN makes it simple. You'll start by logging into your BIN dashboard. In the dashboard, you can see and manage all your customers undergoing KYC. We refer to them as applicants. To view all applicants, simply click Show All Applicants in the left sidebar. To create a new applicant, click the Create New button. If you already have the applicant's identity document and plan to handle everything yourself, just click Create without entering any data. However, if you prefer to have the applicant provide their information and documents, which we recommend, fill in their name, phone, or email, and BIN will send a secure verification link directly to them. In this demonstration, we'll start with a clean applicant by skipping the form. Once created, you'll be given a session link you can share with the applicant or simply click Visit Applicant Dossier to begin managing the case. The dossier is where all files, documents, and information related to a single applicant are stored and managed. You'll see different blocks for each piece of data collected during verification. Right now, everything is empty because this is a new applicant, but let's begin by adding their identity document. If you have the ID document file, simply drag and drop it into the ID document drop zone. If not, share the session link with the applicant so they can upload it themselves. Let me go ahead and drop an ID document into the drop zone. The system will now analyze the file. This just takes a few seconds. Behind the scenes, BIN's AI and forensic intelligence engine are hard at work, validating the document's authenticity. It checks for signs of forgery, tampering, and confirms it matches official document templates. Once complete, you'll notice that many of the blocks are now populated with information extracted from the document. But most importantly, check the applicant status in the top right corner. This tells you whether the applicant has met your KYC level requirements. Some may be approved, some pending, and others rejected. For a full breakdown of each KYC level and how to configure them, we recommend watching our dedicated KYC levels video. As shown in this example, the applicant has completed all steps, but the ID document was rejected. For more detail on why it was rejected, scroll to the Risk Analysis section to view specific findings. Now let's try another applicant's ID document and see what it looks like when the verification is successful. Here, the applicant is approved, but we're still waiting for address verification. To complete that, simply upload a proof of address, like a utility bill or lease agreement, into the address verification drop zone. Once uploaded, the system will validate it and update the applicant's status accordingly. Within the dossier, you can also collaborate with your team, assign tasks, add notes, or require another team member to complete an action. Once all requirements are met, you can either approve or reject the applicant manually, or let BIN's decision engine handle it automatically based on your configured requirements. There are many more blocks available in the applicant view, and if you'd like a deep dive, we recommend watching our video on dossier management. That wraps up this demonstration on how to use BIN manually. No integration needed. Thanks for watching, and we hope to see you in the next video.